parating nagpa-message sa amin, like, asking, like, kailan ba talaga sila mag-on stage? In fact, one group even reached out to us to say they really want to book the tickets for the tour bus so they can preview tomorrow. So that just shows us how big of a fandom you have, not just here in the UAE, but in the Philippines as well. And speaking of your fandom, one of the questions that they actually wanted to ask you was about your love team, like your on-screen love team. What do you think exactly makes it work? And bakit nga ba magaling kayo magpakilig sa tao?
Hindi rin namin alam. Siguro sobrang galing lang talaga ng director namin. Tsaka naglalagay ng mga background music sa amin. And then, hindi namin alam kung anong bakit maraming sumusuporta sa amin. Pero sobrang kaming thankful na na-inspire namin sila and kinikilig sila sa aming dalawa. And maraming salamat din syempre na merong nabuong grupo na sumusuporta sa amin.
And to add to what Kim said, I think it's also yes, the constant effort on our part and maybe the willingness to collaborate with each other. Because I'll give an example. We did ASAP Milan last year, and no one knew about Lindang, no one knew about Sek Kim or anything yet. So parang lagi kong kausap si Kim, parang may performance tayo. Parang paano natin ipapakita sa audience para abangan nila yung Lindang paglabas sa TV. So there was really an effort also on our part to really try and make it work, because I mean not every pair up is gifted with a gifted chemistry and on-screen chemistry. So I'm glad that I got to work with Kim, and she's very willing and open to collaborate and open for suggestions.
And for tomorrow, can you give us a sneak peek of what your fans can expect on stage sa Kalayaan 2024?
Sayaw siya.
For tomorrow, I think we're doing. I'm doing 3 songs, and we're doing 2 duets.
That's good.
I don't think, well, maybe for the Kim Paos who have been following us. I don't think they'll see anything new, because I only have a pool of songs that I can sing. As I always say, I'm always an actor first, and everything after that is a bonus, unless they make me sing and act at the same time. But we'll try our best to para hindi kayo mabitin or mapasaya kayo for tomorrow. So
Ako naman, yun nga, sabi ni Paolo, siguro they're gonna see me sing and dance and sing with Pao, and then konting chika-chika with the audience and everything, and then excited din kami to be with mga kababayan dito sa Dubai and makita namin sila and makapag-perform. Sana marami makapunta bukas. Sana mag-enjoy tayong lahat bukas.
May hinanda kasi yung mga set of influencers natin na pantropiko. Ano pwede silang sumabay lang naman sa'yo.
Tingnan natin.
We have somebody from the Global Filipino Magazine.